Hello everyone, I am Ika. This time we are going to talk about context clues part 3, that is example and explanation. So, what is context clues? Let's have a review. So, what is a context clues? Context clues is a reading technique to understand a meaning of unknown word, and it is to help the reader to guess the meaning of unknown word by understanding the context or sentence. There are 5 types of context clues: synonym, antonym, definitions, and in this video we are going to learn about the examples and explanation, the types, another types of context clues. So let's go to the first type, context clues as an example. This type of context clues uses examples to help explain the meaning of unknown words. For example, nutritious food such as fruit and vegetables help our bodies grow. So here we have such as one of the indicators that it is using an example. So we can conclude nutritious is healthy because fruit and vegetables are healthy food. Okay, the next one is context clues as an explanation. This is the highest level for context clues, yeah. In this type, the context clues uses an explanations or descriptions of a situations or experience to help us, the reader, infer the meaning or guess the meaning of an unfamiliar word. Now, please take a look at the example over here. I was aghast when I found my neighbor had robbed the jewelry store and stolen $100,000 in diamonds. So the unknown word is aghast. So what is it? So we can see, we have to find out the clues here. Find my neighbor, robbed, and stolen. So how do you feel when you found your neighbor robbed the jewelry store and stolen $100,000 in diamonds? So the conclusions of your feelings is the meaning of the unword. So it use experience and situations, yeah. So we can say that aghast is shocked. Okay, so this is our practice, yeah, a very short practice to see that do we really understand about the context clues here from part 1 to part 3. So let's do it. Number 1, the monkey's vociferous chatter made me wish I had earplugs. So what is it? Is it example, synonym, antonym, definitions, or explanation? This is explanations. Why? Because it explains the feelings here, right? Chatter, vociferous chatter made me wish I had an earplug. I had earplug means that uh, what kind of situations that makes us want earplugs here. So this is an explanation. The second one, unlike John's room, which was immaculate, Jeff's room was very messy. So what is it? Is it synonym, antonym, explanation, definitions, or examples? Remember, the clues is the word unlike here. That is a conjunctions unlike. Unlike is the antonym. So it is antonym. Next. Many companies are downsizing or reducing the numbers of employees they have in order to save money. What is it? Explanation, antonym, synonym, examples, uh, or definition. So once again, please take a look at the clues here. The clues is that we have commas and then after the word The unfamiliar word downsizing. We have commas, and then there is an explanation, reducing the number of employees they have. So it is definition. Okay, next. Okay, the next sentence is, we remembered to bring all the provisions such as food, water, and warm clothing on the hike. So what kind of context clues is used in this sentence? Example, how do we know? There is a word such as. So such as is one of the indicators that this sentence is using example as a context clues. Yeah. Next, her quiet, timid ways made it hard for her to make friends. Okay. So what is it? Synonym. How can we say that? After the word quiet, we have timid ways. Okay. Timid ways with quiet is the same. Okay, for further reading, you can go to my English teacher.eu.slash blog slash prefixes suffixes list, or you can have enchantedlearning.com and latinfocus.com. You can go to this one for prefix and suffixes. And for other context clues, you can go to context clues part 1, prefix and suffix, and we have also context clues part 2. It's about definition, synonym, and antonym. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a nice day. Goodbye.